How to set images on medium quality on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set images on medium quality on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one, and now click this one, and now just go down until you find here this one, data savings, and click on it. And then all you need to do is just click this one, images, and then click medium quality. And as you see, medium images has been set on medium quality. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.